Okay, I know you're busy. We're all busy. The problem is most of us are busy doing things we're not thrilled about, or not a lot of money that don't really improve our lives. So, here's a deal for you. I'll show you what we believe to be the greatest opportunity in the world. Now, I know that's a pretty bold statement, but if you'll stick with me for the next 10 minutes, I'll explain why we believe this. Ready? It starts with something pure and healthy, and someone with a great idea and a lot of enthusiasm. It grows into an amazing company with products and opportunities that change lives. And it's now a global phenomenon that's improving the health of millions of people and completely transforming their lifestyle. It is Forever Living Products. And the simple idea that gave rise to it in nearly 9 million independent businesses is this: that a natural, high-quality health product should create better lives in two ways. First, it should improve the health and well-being of anyone who uses it. And second, the product should offer the potential for a richer, more rewarding lifestyle to anyone who really wants it. Now for the man behind the idea, Rex Maughan. In 1978, in a small office in Phoenix, Arizona, Rex created a powerful aloe vera drink and combined it with a simple marketing plan that allowed customers to build their own business around a product they loved. The result was Forever Living Products, and in the 3 decades since, it's grown beyond anyone's imagination. Today, Forever Living Products has a lineup of approximately 200 health and beauty products, offered in over 125 countries, by nearly 9 million people around the world who enjoy natural, healthy products and the rewards of owning their own business. FLP's success includes people from almost every continent and culture. People like you. So what's the catch? Why does Forever Living Products work for so many people in so many places? Come on, you've only got 8 minutes to find out. Forever Living Products has as many reasons for their success as they do distributors around the world. But, in the interest of time, I'm going to stick to the most important one. This aloe vera leaf. One of millions FLP grows, harvests, and processes on its plantations in the United States, Mexico, and the Dominican Republic. So, what's so great about aloe vera? Just that it's one of the best natural substances to put on and in your body. Let's start with your skin. Most people know there's practically nothing better for it than pure aloe. It soothes, softens, nourishes, rejuvenates. It's like a first aid kit for keeping skin healthier and younger looking. But what you probably don't know about aloe is what it can do for you internally. It's a powerful nutritional supplement to the tune of over 200 compounds, including 12 vitamins, 20 minerals, and 18 amino acids. But beyond that, aloe helps cleanse your digestive system. It helps keep your intestinal walls clean so that they can better absorb the essential nutrients from the foods you eat. And better absorption means better health. So, how do you keep such a healthy plant, well, healthy? You control every step of the aloe vera process, and that's exactly what FLP does. From growing, to harvesting, to processing, where the aloe leaves are washed, filleted, and pressed to extract all that healthy gel. And finally stabilized with a patented process that protects against oxidation and seals in potency. You'd think that would be thorough enough, but no. FLP tests the gel over and over again for purity and consistency. Finally, once it passes all these tests, it's ready to be put into one of over 150 Forever Living products. Like this. Aloe Vera Gel, the first Forever Living product and still the most popular. But I hope you're thirsty, because there's also aloe berry nectar, aloe bits and peaches, Forever Freedom with glucosamine, chondroitin, and MSM for maintaining healthy joints, and Pomestine Power, the ultimate antioxidant drink. Forever Living also offers over 20 dietary supplements, each with a unique blend of vitamins, minerals, herbs, and other nutrients to help achieve balanced nutrition. And natural bee products have always been a big part of FLP nutrition. They tap into the high-energy food that bees produce to help boost your metabolism and your immune system. Then there's skincare. FLP's complete line of aloe-enriched creams and lotions help clean, hydrate, condition, and tone from head to toe. And the Sonia Color Collection completes the clean, natural look with moisturizing makeup that loves your skin. And these days, a huge part of nutrition is managing your weight. So, Forever Living Products has a proven lineup of products to help you slim down and shape up sensibly and permanently. Finally, whether you want to clean your teeth or clean your laundry, FLP's personal care products can fill the bill. So a powerful plant becomes just one of over 150 FLP products, each one a natural source of health and beauty. Now that you know a little bit about how great these products are, let me show you the incredible things people are doing with them. Come on, let's go. All right, you know a little about Forever Living Products. You know a little about the benefits of aloe vera. And you know how this great plant has led to an entire line of remarkable health and beauty products. So now you're probably thinking to yourself, okay, so we all use and benefit from these great products and we all live happily ever after, right? Wrong. That's how most great product stories end, but not this one. This one's just getting started. Because how you get these products and what you can do with them is a whole new story. See, you won't find Forever Living products here, or here, or here. You find them here, being used by someone you know who swears by them. Because these products and the unique way we distribute them usually make people more than just customers. People around them get curious about products they've never heard of before. They ask questions. They want to try them, borrow them. And pretty soon someone's asking, hey, how can I get more of that stuff? That, in a nutshell, is how Forever Living products are marketed and distributed. Instead of multi-million-dollar advertising campaigns, they let their great products speak for themselves, and they let their great customers do what comes naturally. People use the products, see the results, fall in love with them, share them with family, friends, coworkers, and that process repeats itself. Soon enough, customers become distributors by selling to and sponsoring others. As a reward for their word-of-mouth advertising and distribution, FLP distributors receive bonuses for products they and those they sponsor order. And that's the secret to how a small company in Arizona has spread to over 125 countries around the world with revenues in excess of $2 billion a year. But bear with me because I only have a few minutes left. The incredible growth isn't the most exciting thing about this business. Every billion-dollar multinational company has a great success story to tell. The most exciting thing about the growth of Forever Living products is how their distributors and their businesses have grown, and the millions of success stories they have to tell. Because for some, becoming an FLP distributor is simply a great way to earn extra income. But for a lot of others, it's an opportunity that completely changes their life. See, when you can earn income from the products purchased by everyone you introduce to Forever Living products, and everyone they introduce to Forever Living products, and so on, in a matter of 6 months to a year, you can build a substantial monthly income. And within a few years, it's possible to build a completely new lifestyle. And that's exactly what people are doing right now in Japan, Nigeria, Germany, Mexico, Hong Kong, Brazil, Norway, Turkey, Malaysia, the United States, and on and on. People of every nationality and every walk of life are building lives they never dreamed of. You've got to admit, it's pretty amazing what one plant and one company can do, and how what starts out as this can grow into this, and this, and this, and how one story becomes millions of stories, and one company becomes millions of successful businesses around the world. All right, my 10 minutes are up. Thanks for your time. You can go back to your busy life now. Or maybe you're ready to get busy building a new one. Ask yourself, are you impressed with the philosophy and integrity of Forever Living products? Would you or someone you know benefit from these products? Are you willing to put in a sufficient amount of effort to become a success as an FLP distributor? If your answer to these questions is yes, talk with the person who gave you this presentation. These past 10 minutes may have been just a nice break from your busy life, or they can be the start of a completely new one. It's up to you.